everybody to SLOSMASHN and SLOmotion this tale. Himiway, can it go off-road? And if it does, we're gonna take the Max out with it too. Version 2, yeah! And it is very windy out here in my little vacation home B-Day retreat, so bear with me. One of the locals told me there's a cool bike trail out here and there's some cool hills on the way up here. And one thing I've always trying to look for in other creators and tales is if the Himiway can go off-road. We're gonna find out and do it today and have a little fun doing it, yeah! Tyrannosaurus back there. Let's hit the road. Now. Alright, found a cool spot. You saw that sweet footage right there. Can the Himiway go off-road? Yes, it is very cool. I did notice some things. I'm going more extreme off-road. I mean, check this stuff up. The Himiway can take a lot steeper stuff. Make sure you put it in the lowest gear and pedal so you like prolong that motor and keep it, like ease the stress off of that hub motor, but it should be fine. And it's taken, as far as the suspension goes, it does work. It soaks up the harder stuff. It does rattle you a little bit, but I feel like my cargo bay, in this case being a V2 Traxxas Maxx, yeah, gets rattled more than I do because the suspension kind of absorbs it pretty good. Let's grab the Max and get into some smashing action, yeah.
Smashing.
Hope y'all enjoyed that smashing action with V2 wide max in the Himiway. Does it go off-road? Yeah, and it does it pretty good. Suspension could be better, but it does the job all around. Make sure to keep it in the lowest gear and pedal. Use the throttle only when you got some rolling resistance. Is that the word? No, not resistance, momentum. Yeah, low gear, pedal, and the suspension does a good job of soaking up that rough terrain, except for the hardest of stuff, in which case, get yourself a Sur-on. Yeah! Back on the delivery rack, yeah! Y'all, let me know what you think about the awesome, cost-effective Himiway that goes off-road in a cool V2 Max. Let me know downstairs in the comments below, because until next time, smash the bell, smash the thumb, subscribe if you haven't had to already, because we are V2 Max and our Himiway that goes off-road plus suspension. Smash it out!
Smashing.